Hey everyone, and welcome to another Draw With Me video. And this week we are working on Tom Nook, and I wanted to make him this like grubby money bag, like looming over his money kind of idea, so that's what I went with. I am having such a blast just drawing with the community on Twitch and just having fun and just trying to figure myself out because I work full-time in the animation industry. Sorry, we were doing an incentive for St. Jude at the time of this video recording, and I don't really get to draw in my day job ever, actually. It's all Maya, or I'm working in Premiere traditionally, and so I've just never felt strong or like I was ever good enough to draw, and I thought it was time to, I just had this urge after a decade of always focusing on other things like my miniatures, as you would see from this channel. I thought it was time for me to really focus on doing something more for me, and I decided it was time to really just do my own work and do my own art. And I thought it was also time to get into the realm of doing fan art, because I, as an artist and as an animation student, I never felt comfortable doing fan art just because it's not your personal content, and I had this love-hate relationship with it. And I finally got over this weird just this weird feeling I had about it, and I wanted to just enjoy doing some fan art of Animal Crossing and things like Sailor Moon and stuff like that. Not to say that I'm not going to do my own personal characters and my own personal art anymore, but I was just feeling this, you know what, something in me has just been feeling extremely liberated. Maybe it's because I'm doing these more talks on my Twitch channel that are more geared towards what I do for a living, which I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about multiple times, but where I'm showcasing, you know, background breakdown of what makes a good or bad background on Tuesdays, and usually we'll do feature film. This past week we did Over the Garden Wall, and then on Thursdays we take a video clip and break down the video, which I still haven't done yet. It is Wednesday. But anyways, I don't know which one we're gonna do yet this week. I kind of just fly by the seat of my pants, and we just kind of figure it out together. And I talk about the different film language and the shot choices, because ultimately I want to make my community, i.e. you guys, better at being more either visual storytellers, if that's what you want, or just more active viewers when you watch your favorite TV show, your movies, you know, whatever it is that you really like, and you're like, I wonder why I think this is so good, you know, like, why don't we break it down? And so that's why I decided I would do this with the community, because it's something I'm extremely passionate about, and I'm really thinking that the community can see how passionate I am about this as well. Something else I'm also toying with and started up in the community again is our art challenge, our creative challenge. So once a month I pick a topic. You guys are more than welcome to offer up a suggestion, and I pick a whole bunch of photos that you can use for live reference of the subject. So this month is cats. And what I really want people to focus on is utilizing the image that I provide, one of the images or multiple, however you want to do it. And I do a breakdown and talk about the anatomy and the structure of the figure that we're breaking down if needed, and then we can work at it from there, because I noticed someone in my community was having a really tough time drawing a cat, and cats can be extremely difficult. And I thought, you know what, this is a great time to really sit down with the community and let's build each other up with our drawing skills. You know, it's a fantastic feeling. Anyways, if this is something you want to be more a part of, check out the Discord and my Twitch channel down below. Thanks so much for being here, guys, and I will see you guys on the next Draw With Me video. Bye!